Hey YouTube fans, it's me, Kyle from stormhackvideos, and since you guys, I've been getting a lot of people looking at my channel, and they've probably noticed about how one of my favorite things is my baby wiener dog named Jinx, and I just thought I'd make a video showing you what my dog looks like. So, as I've said before, he's a baby wiener dog. He's brown and he's about 2 years old. So here, I'll just show you him now. This is my wiener dog Jinx. As you can see, he's in a little rocker. And right now he is lying on a heating pad, because he is a baby and he likes to stay warm. So, why don't you say hello, Jinx? Say hi. Say hi. That's about as good as it's gonna get. So, just thought I'd show you what he looks like and what he likes to do. And this is really what he likes to do, is sleep all day on a heating pad. There's a heating pad. There's the controls. He's on it. Say bye-bye. Okay. Bye. And make sure to subscribe. Thank you.